Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use emotes in League of Legends. First, click on the escape button on your keyboard to access the settings option, and from here you need to go to hotkeys, the first one here, the hotkeys, and scroll down here and you will find communication and click on it and scroll a little down and you will find the emote section here. As you can see, there is lots of options, lots of features available related to emotes, and you can set the keys for set 1 or set 2 to interact these features, like quick open emote wheel, open emote wheel, or quick play emote node, and many more. Now you just need to click on the cell and click on a key on your keyboard to bind a key on the feature. Like this, I have just bind Y in my quick open emote wheel. Now again I just bind T, and when you bind a key, just simply click on OK. Now you can see whenever I click on T, the emote will quickly comes up and I can use the emotes like this. And it's so easy, it's pretty simple. You just need to bind a key that you are comfortable with, and if you want a quick emote, then you just need to bind a key that you can press quickly on your keyboard. Now let's see how we can equip emotes in our emote wheel. For this, you just need to click on this backpack option, and here you will find the emotes, and you will find all the emotes that you have available on your account, and you can just simply get the emote by your RP points or by some rewards, from some rewards and from some emotes. You just need to click and drag them in the wheel. As you can see, I have just dragged it in the places and I have dragged back to unequip this emote. You can equip around 9 emotes in the game, and you can use them in the PvP matches. To you can show these emotes to your friends and your enemies too. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.